Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.
And GDP is about assets. It's about what you have. We have the carbon sinks that serves the world, cleans our environment, acts as sequestration of carbon that is produced by others. But we get nothing for it. It's not anywhere in our balance sheet. Everybody's assets are in their balance sheet. Some of ours are not in that balance sheet. The day we put our whole assets in our balance sheet, you will know that we are a very wealthy continent.
We need a fundamental rethink of the relationship between our economy and the natural world. And there's a growing awareness that intact nature does have an economic value. Yesterday, one of you put it brilliantly by saying we have to put nature on the balance sheet.
We therefore welcome the SMI Africa Council Nature on a Balance Sheet initiative. We support this initiative firmly. We appreciate its institutional investor-public partner approaches, which recognizes that by embedding nature on the balance sheet, we are making an ambitious statement. Africa's natural health is a key asset for both the continent and the world. We have 60% of arable land. Distinguished business leaders, investors, and partners, it is my pleasure to share this message of support from the African Union Commission to the Sustainable Market Initiative Business Leaders Forum at COP16 in Cali, Colombia. On behalf of the African Union, I express gratitude to the SMEs African Council for responding decisively to the African Union's call to action, as highlighted at the African Climate Summit, in support of implementing the African Leaders Nairobi Declaration's goal to put nature on Africa's balance sheet. The African Union supports the SMEs Council's Natural Capital on African government's balance sheet initiative. By embedding nature on the balance sheet, we are making clear statement Africa's natural wealth is a strategic asset for both the continent and the world. This approach not only protects biodiversity but also drives sustainable economic growth and resilience.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.